So you just got your Google Pixel 5a and you're looking for protection. Well, Spigen got you covered from head to toe. What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video I have a couple accessories for the Pixel from Spigen. Now I bought these on Amazon. You can go ahead and check out the links below in the description of this video. So we do have a tempered glass screen protector, again $12.99, picked it up on Amazon. We do have the Pixel 5a tough armor case. This one will run you $16.99, and we have the Spigen thin fit case for $13.99. so the tough armor is probably going to give you the best protection you can get from Spigen. Now there is other cases in between, so I went with one of the thinnest cases. So if you want the most minimalist protection and you want to keep your Pixel 5a relatively thin, pocketable, and usable, I went ahead and picked up the thin fit. Now if you want absolutely best protection, I went ahead and picked up the tough armor from you, so you can get a full spectrum of what Spigen has to offer. Now, like I mentioned, they do have other cases in between, but I think this is the thinnest and this is the most rugged protection you're going to get for your Pixel 5a from Spigen. And then you do get the tempered glass screen protector as well. So as I said, Spigen got you covered. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the screen protector itself. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. For $12.99 you get a 2-pack. Now this is case friendly, not only with Spigen cases but other manufacturer cases as well. We do have an alignment tray there, very hard plastic, all the accessories needed to install. Let's go ahead and grab a tempered glass screen protector. So you have two, so in case you damage one, you always have another one for $12.99. Not a bad deal, right? We do got a squeegee, so we can squeegee out all those bubbles. Let's grab this. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it real quick. I'm not gonna show you the installation because they're all similar. I do have other Spigen tempered glass screen protector videos out there. If you want to see how to install it, you can go ahead and check those out yourself. So let me go ahead and install this and get back to you. All right, so we're back now. The screen protector feels very good in hand. Very nice quality screen protector. The edges do kind of taper down, not as much as the one, so you don't feel it. You don't feel a hard edge, very little. I don't want to say I don't, because I do feel it. Not here on top, but down here below, you kind of do feel a little bit. But very good premium screen protector. Installation was easy. $12.99 you get a 2-pack. So that is your Spigen Glass TR screen protector. Spigen's always had good screen protectors, so I've never had any issues with them, and they always give you a 2-pack, so in case you break one. So moving on to the case that's probably going to give you the most protection from their lineup. This one's the Spigen Tough Armor design. $16.99. They do have other colors, so you don't have to necessarily go with these colors. I just stick with black because they're the easiest, and usually they're about $1 or $2 cheaper. But you do have your black case here. As you can see, you have the shock absorption technology inside the case here. Spigen, nice. You do get a kickstand with this one, so if you like watching movies and stuff like that, you can go ahead and prop the phone and watch and consume media. As an added accessory. Also, if you break it, I think they sell this kickstand separate. It's just a 2-piece case. You do have soft TPU around the edge and a hard plastic shell on the bottom. The buttons are fully covered. So let's go ahead and grab the Pixel and put this bad boy in here. Bam. Now there you have it. It's a full armored out Pixel 5a by Spigen. You do have tons of lip protection there all around the screen of that Pixel 5a, and that tempered glass and a case, and obviously the case are friendly. There's no issue between none of them. Now these cases are going to work with other screen protectors, and the screen protectors are going to work with other cases, obviously, but good in hand. Look at that. It does add some thickness and bulk to your phone, but it does add that protection needed. You want the lens protection there is absolutely amazing. Look how deep that recess is, so you are absolutely protected. If you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, it's not going to scratch that lens. And I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed on the camera lens there on the back. Make sure you watch my battle of tempered glass screen protectors. The Spigen one was not included, but it's a potential for that as well. Look at this recess. Boom. You're not going to have any issues with it. Unlocks very easily. So if you want to reach in your pocket and unlock your phone before you actually put the screen to your face, you can easily identify where that fingerprint reader is, because that recess is tremendously, look how much it goes inside the case. Boom, it's there. It's awesome. On top, you do have all your proper cutouts. You do have a plenty of cutout around the headphone jack in case that headphone jack is a little thick. It's not going to interfere with that. Your mic cutout is nice and precise. On the bottom of the phone, we do have a cutout for your charging and your speaker and mic, and they're absolutely precise. No issues there. Now this is a Nomad Type-C charging cable. It's a little on the thicker side. Bam, but look at that. It plugs right in. No issues with that whatsoever. So you're not going to have any issues with the case interfering with a thicker Type-C cable when charging your Pixel 5a. Protection all around the edges is there. Boom, you do have Spigen branding there on the kickstand, and you do have Tough Armor branding there on the right side of the phone. Now the buttons, the power button is textured. As you can see, it's a little rivet. Even though they're 100% covered, you can differentiate from the power button and the volume up and down. Now, are they nice and tactile? Very nice and responsive, very nice and clicky. You do get a satisfying feeling when pressing down on the buttons. So being 100% covered does not interfere with the responsiveness of your volume rocker or the power button itself. Feels very good in hand. So there, this one is your Tough Armor case here from Spigen. This is going to run you $16.99. Let's go ahead and put that kickstand in motion. Bam, right there. Now the kickstand's not going to work in portrait mode. It's only going to work in landscape mode. So don't try to put it in portrait mode and be upset because the phone won't stay up. So moving on to the next case from Spigen. As I mentioned, this is probably the most protection you're gonna get, and it's very snugged. So the case is not gonna, the phone is not gonna come out flying in case it accidentally takes a spill. It's not gonna separate from the case. Your phone is not. So this is their most minimalist case they offer, is the thin fit. I use these a lot. I use them on my Pixel 5a and the 4a itself. The 5a, the Pixel 5 and the 4a. I like the thin fit cases because I kind of like not having a bulky phone. But this is going to give you the most protection at its thinnest from Spigen. So let's go ahead and put this on the case. Bam, bam. Look at that. Feels amazing and fits amazing. This one is $13.99. As you can see, it's not as bulky as the Tough Armor one. This one's a little bit more, keeps a slimmer profile on the Pixel 5a, but you do get that lip protection all around that camera lens. So no issues with laying your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not going to run into any issues with that as well. And it offers lens protection there as well on the back, so you are protected when you lay your phone on this back on a flat surface. You do got that cutout for your fingerprint sensor, also easily accessible. You can find it very easily without looking at it. The volume rocker and power button are 100% covered, but they are nice and tactile, very responsive. You can hear the click, satisfying feeling, no issues with that whatsoever. The headphone jack on top, look at that, bam, nice and precise, as well as the mic. Plenty of room around the headphone jack there. You got your charging cable and your speaker mic on the bottom, very nice and precise as well. Plenty of room for the charging cable. As you can tell, I don't have to plug it in to show you on this one, but you have enough room to plug in a third-party charging cable. Spigen branding there at the bottom right corner of the case. Very nice phone, very slim profile there. Works good with the tempered glass screen protector. This is an all Spigen out off it here. So very nice. I think I'm going to keep this combo for myself. But there you have it, guys. This is the Tough Armor Spigen case, $16.99 if you're absolutely looking for the best protection from Spigen. And you have the thin fit case. Both of these are for the Pixel 5a, and you have the Spigen tempered glass screen protector there. Links will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick these up for yourself. But you can't go wrong with the Spigen combination screen protector case, whether you want a rugged case to protect your Pixel 5a or you want the slimmest, thinnest you can get, but also have a little bit of protection. Spigen has you covered. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions in regards to both of these cases or the screen protector, please leave them down in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.